What's going on, guys? It's Moto Mike back with another video. Today, this is the graphics reveal. It's hot as heck today. Hope you guys are all having an amazing summer. And finally get to show you this complete bike with the graphics on it. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, flow is finally gone. Instantly regretted it after I took it off, but it'll eventually be back, don't worry. Just got a nice summer cut. I work outside every day, so it's kind of hard to keep long hair in the summer. So I decided to chop it off. Anyways, show you this bike. So here's the bike. I decided to go with mostly a green kit. And I was originally gonna do the Monster Energy Pro Circuit Kawasaki kit, but honestly I didn't want to just have a replica Pro kit. This kind of does look similar, as you can see with the shroud design here, but I kind of wanted my own twist to it. Love how it turned out. I got this from eSticky, customized most of the logos. If you're asking why I chose number 91, it's because it's my birthday. So love the way this looks. Hopefully I don't crash soon, so it stays this nice as long as possible. But only complaint about the kit is I should have went with a darker brown maybe to match the forks and the powder coated handlebar clamps here. But nonetheless, I think it's a beautiful small touch. Even with the letters here, the outlining of the brown. I also didn't get a chance to make a video for you guys, but I got new rental sprockets front and rear. I have the stock 50 tooth in the rear and 13 tooth in the front, and I just paired it with the ERT3 DID gold chain. That Mika setup was getting pretty beat up, so it was time. So hope you guys enjoy the graphics. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I love seeing this bike come together. It's my first ever graphics kit. Just letting it all soak in right now. But yeah, let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. Like, comment, subscribe below if you already haven't. And I appreciate all you viewers, everyone who's supporting me, trying to build this channel. So thank you guys. See you guys soon.